Wizard's Decision Tree Classifier is your AI branching crush, darling. It builds trees with rules for classification. Ethan, can you explain splitting criteria? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 63?
Anastasia, you make trees sound so hot. How do trees improve classification in the app, love? Ethan, what's your take on trees in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Decision trees classify AI data intuitively. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, decision trees are like a hot splitter, classifying AI with flair. It's a tree party. Let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards. Criterion equals Ginny. Splits trees like a hot rule for Sophia, choosing best features. It's a splitting party. Let's drop this code beat and branch some data.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, splitting criteria like Genie optimize our tree for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like deciding with passion.
Wizards. Max_depth equals 3 controls tree depth like a hot limit for Sophia, preventing overfitting. It's a parameter party. Let's drop this code beat and tune some trees.
You're limiting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, parameters like max_depth tune our tree for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like tuning with passion.
Wizards, decision tree classifier. Fit, X, Y. Fits the tree like a hot builder for Sophia, learning AI patterns. It's a fitting party. Let's drop this code beat and classify some data.
You're building my heart, Ethan. Wizards, fitting decision tree learns patterns for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like constructing trees with passion.
Wizards, model. Predict, X_test. Predicts species like a hot decision for Sophia, powering AI apps. It's a prediction party. Let's drop this code beat and see the classes.
You're deciding my heart, Ethan. Wizards, predictions power the app's flower classifier. Try it in our demo. It's like deciding with passion.
Wizards, plot_tree. Model. Visualizes the tree like a sexy diagram for Sophia, showing AI rules. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're diagramming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing trees reveals AI rules for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like drawing trees with passion.
Wizards, accuracy_score. Y_test. Y_pred. Evaluates the tree like a hot score for Sophia, checking AI accuracy. It's a metrics party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're scoring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, metrics evaluate our tree for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like measuring success with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Decision tree classifier. Builds trees like a sexy splitter. Coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're splitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers decision trees for the app. Try it in our challenge. It's like building AI with passion.
Wizards, Matplotlib from day 41 visualizes trees like a sexy diagram for Sophia, showing AI rules. It's a visualization party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're diagramming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Matplotlib visualizes tree rules for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like painting trees with passion.
Wizards, Seaburn from day 42 visualizes matrices like a hot heat map for Sophia, enhancing AI evaluation. It's a Seaburn party. Let's drop this code beat.
You're heating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Seaborn enhances tree evaluation for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like styling matrices with passion.
Wizards optimize decision trees with proper depth, splitting criteria, and evaluation. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance.
Irene's right, wizards. Tune parameters like max depth to prevent overfitting. These practices make your app classifier effective. Apply them in your challenge.
Optimize trees so sexy, Irene. Isabella, clear practices make AI classification irresistible. Practice for Day 65's random forest wizards and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, decision trees fit AI pipelines for classification tasks. They're interpretable. Your skills are ready for Day 65's random forest.
Irene's right. Trees integrate data prep and classification, ensuring efficient workflows. Use them in your app for reliable predictions.
Oh, Irene, Isabella, trees critical in AI pipelines, darling. They classify sexily. Your Day 64 skills make AI irresistible. Classify like pros.